Ever wondered what makes your phone, TV, or even your flashlight work? The answer is electricity. But what exactly is electricity? Let's dive in and uncover the mysteries of this powerful force. Electricity is simply the flow of electrons from one atom to another. Think of it like a river of tiny particles moving through a wire. There are two main types of electric current: direct current, or DC, and alternating current, or AC. DC flows in one direction and is used in batteries, like the ones in your game controllers and remote controls. AC, on the other hand, changes direction many times per second and travels through power lines to bring electricity to our homes. But how is this electricity generated? There are several fascinating methods. Thermoelectric power uses fossil fuels, biomass, or nuclear fission to heat water into steam, which then powers a generator. Geothermal power harnesses steam from beneath the Earth's surface. Hydroelectric power comes from the energy of flowing water, while wind power uses turbines turned by the wind. And let's not forget solar power, which converts sunlight directly into electricity using photovoltaic cells. Electricity moves through materials called conductors, like metals, water, and even people. Insulators, such as plastic, rubber, and porcelain, block the flow of electricity, keeping us safe. Ever seen lightning in a storm? That's a natural form of electricity, a high-voltage discharge between clouds and the ground, hotter than the surface of the sun. Speaking of static electricity, have you ever rubbed a balloon on your hair and made it stick? That's a build-up of electric charge on a surface. Electricity is measured in watts, voltage, and amps. Voltage is the electrical potential difference, while amps measure the current. Transformers change voltage levels, and circuit breakers or fuses prevent overloads to keep everything running smoothly and safely. Believe it or not, the ancient Greeks might have discovered electricity around 600 BC, and Benjamin Franklin's famous kite experiment showed the connection between lightning and electricity. So next time you flip a switch or plug in a device, remember the incredible journey of electricity that powers our world.